Hi, and welcome to this explainer video on how to use WhoAPI Domain Checker, or how we like to call it, WDC. What we'll go through in this video is our three different scenarios on how you can use WDC. The first scenario, you can check geographical domain names for your SEO or your AdWords campaign to increase relevancy and reduce cost. In the second scenario, I'll show you how to find short and brandable domain names. In the third scenario, we'll do something that we call a fun combo. Bear with me on this one. So let's go to the first scenario with the geo domains for SEO and AdWords. WDC allows you to enter keywords in different boxes, and then we'll do some WDC magic later. In the first box, you enter keywords that correspond to the geographical location of your business or your industry, for that matter. So let's say that you're a hairstylist or a hairdresser in San Francisco. So you put here San Francisco. You can put in part of the city like Twin Peaks, or you could put in the name of the street, for example. In the second box, you type in the keywords that describe your service or product or an industry, depending on what you're going for in your particular SEO or AdWords campaign. And what WDC will do is it will check 18 different domain names, combining the 3 keywords in this box and 6 keywords in this box. So for example, if you check the .NET box here, you'll get double the domain names, which is 36. And if you tick another box, you'll get 72 domain names. What the mix feature does is it mixes the sequence of the keywords. So it will check San Francisco hairstylist and hairstylist San Francisco. But for the sake of this video presentation, we'll reduce the number of domain names to 9, so we can skip the API part and the video will be quicker. So we'll check once you're done with the keywords, you're ready to go. Boom. And so WDC checks the 9 domain names, and as you can see, it came up with some pretty cool domain names. So for example, if you're running a shampoo promotion in San Francisco, obviously sanfranciscoshampoo.com is a pretty great domain name, either for SEO purposes or for AdWords purposes. So that's that for the first scenario. In the second scenario, we'll go through short brandable domain names. So for example, in the first box, you put in 3 different keywords, and in the second box, you put 2 keywords. Let's make this more fun. Let's create another box and let's put in can't make up my mind right now, so let's just say like this. Okay, so we'll have 6 domain names. And we get WhoAPI, Timnota, etc. Obviously, you can do better if you make more attempts, and if you put in even shorter keywords with only 2 letters. And if you have an API key for more requests. So let's give this another try. Yeah, maybe it would be better to start with this set of keywords, and let's do this one. Obviously this is a really creative and a fun process, and let's see it go. So, okay, Bigomo taken, Pitamo, I don't know, available, Picamo. So as you can see, some of them are, almost all of them are taken, so I'm not that far off with this attempt, but you can see what you're able to do here. In the third scenario, what I call a fun combo, you choose just fun, outrageous keywords in the first box. So let's pick Go Fun Ultimate for the first box, and in the second box, let's say you're a golfer or an SEO expert trying to get great domain names for the golfing industry, or you want to find a great domain name for a blog for domain industry. And let's say we go with the Go Fun Ultimate, Golf Ace Birdie Another. Again, it's a really creative process. Let's say, yeah, you don't really like the birdie, and say you're more of a, let's say, a bogey kind of guy, you like bogeys in golf. And once you have your domain names, boom, you're ready to go. Whoa, almost all of them are taken, so Fun Bogey and Ultimate Bogey are available. Yeah, I think this, I picked the right one with the bogey. So there you have it. This is how you can find domain names using the WDC. And I hope this video was easy to watch, and it explained what you can do with it. But obviously, it's up to you. You're the fourth scenario. Your creativity can really shine on this tool, and it doesn't provide you with the different domains that make absolutely no sense. It's the keywords that you chose and that you think that make sense to you and your industry. So thank you for watching, and good luck.